I was born to be veterinarian. This is not something which I choose. I was born that way. And I always want to do animals, and I always want to treat animals and make them feel better. When we came to Canada in 2000 with my husband as two veterinarians, we realized very quickly that to do all the credentials was very long and painful process. We call it our 6 bloody years because we had no money, first of all. Second of all, we need to do all required exams by veterinary board. But on top of it, we had to survive, which just means we have to work. We did both with me and my husband, we did about 3 jobs and plus we were challenging our English exams as well. And I found information about Windmill somewhere in newspapers that there is a new organization which is lending money to professionals to be able to pass the exams. And I just told my husband, hey, are we going to apply? I don't think they will get it, but just why not? And we got it. I met Dr. Maria Erickson, the founder of Windmill, actually a few times. She's actually the first lady who calls me Dr. Eva. And I was like in tears. I could not believe it that somebody actually can call me again Dr. Eva. To be one of the first recipients of Windmill, it is actually make me proud that Dr. Maria Erickson was right. We need more people like me, and we need more successful people who actually can do it and can help this country. Our journey to Canada, it means we succeed. And my children as well see us as the role models. If we did it, they can do better. All donors and supporters of Windmill, you have a big heart. I really, really thank you for what you do because you are helping people like me to succeed and to make Canada better.